Chapter 4 Adaptation in Plants. We see plants growing almost everywhere. The natural home where a plant lives and grows is called its habitat. To survive in their habitat with the help of some special body features is called adaptation. Plants growing in coastal region faces salty strong winds, loose sandy soil with less nutrients, salty water and hot temperature. Generally, coconut palm is the plant can see in the coastal area. It has special adaptations like thick striped leaves to tolerate strong wind and also strong flexible stem to protect from this wind. Leaves are waterproof and long roots grow deep into the sandy soil to support the plant. In the mountain region, the cold climate slows down the growth of the plants. Frequent snowfall, strong sunlight and poor nutrient soil also damage the growth of the plants. So the plants grow tall and straight and are cone shaped to shed snow. They grow close together to trap the warm air and water. The roots grow deeper into the soil to find nutrients and water. The leaves have a waxy coating to prevent evaporation. The plants do not have flowers. They have cones that have seeds inside them. In desert, it is very hot, strong wind, sandy soil, less nutrients are the problems the plants face. To overcome this, the plants have long roots to collect more water and this water stored in almost all part of this. So, the plants are called succulents. The leaves of the plants reduced into spine to reduce the evaporation of water. Mangroves grow in the marshy region which always waterlogged and get less oxygen. So the roots of the mangroves growing above the soil to get the oxygen from the air directly and also give the support to the plant. These roots are called breathing roots. Plentiful water, less sunlight, less air, strong water currents are the problem faced by the aquatic plants. There are three kinds of aquatic plants. Floating plants that water hyacinth are light and spongy and not fixed roots which is floating in the water. The fixed plant like lotus have fixed roots on the bottom of the water body and long hollow stem. The leaves are floating on the surface of water which prepare the food through photosynthesis. The underwater plants like tap grass have narrow leaves without any stomata. It absorbs water, nutrients and gases directly by the leaves. Insectivorous plants like Venus flytrap and pitcher plant eat insects. Their leaves are modified to catch or trap insects. These plants have colorful, attractive leaves and long hair-like structures in leaves and nectars to attract the insects.